today but COVID-19. Katnat Indian Council of Medical Research ICMR kalayatu baladep ban pendep ya ki jingkmi bnia jong ki shilak arpuwe hajar news pa ar ki sample haloruk nyang jingpang coronavirus hapo ka arpusau kenta badakini baro ki jingkmi bnia kila poe shaka life saulak prapulai hajar praspa life pra hapo keri berhakaju ke por katnat ICMR kandang beteng banang penjur ya ki jingkmi bnia shapang COVID-19 da ka ba ai jingbit ya ki laboratories jong ka sorkar but Bombay sorkar. Sa kumbalay ngot kibriyo kila syakta hau kenyang jingpang COVID-19 ha ka jilla Manipur ka ba haba keng kelum baro kibala syakta kila poy syaka sanpu prangun. Kini baro laingut kidei na ka district Impal West but ha ka weipat kaliang sangut kibriyo kibala syakta menshua kila laitno na ka jaka aijing sumar hadian ka jing yok hiano jongki. Kini kalong kejela ka ba omdon jing syakta hadu ka khat khandai tarik uyayong kala kiu state hadian ke jing wan phai ying kinong bela na keling ki benta kari ke district Churachandpur ha Manipur kadai ka ba syakta bon tam hadu menta ki don kumba arphongun bat khat prangut na kini kidai ki ba wan phai na Chennai ha Assam ka hospital sumar kerpang ye ki ba pang COVID-19 ka ba don ru kumba arspa lai pun riu jingthia kala sedang trekam menta ha Guwahati Medical College but hospital Menteri ke Kuat Kikia ke jela Himanta Biswa Sarma but Menteri ke Sarkar pedeng Sarkar jela Piyush Hazarika kila play yakni ke jaka ajing sumar menta ke sngi kini ke hospital kalong ke bala penbit penbiang bahai kitiar kitar ban ajing sumar bakin top ya ka 14 ultraviolet germicidal irradiation UGVI system ke ban yara pen bahai yakal air hapo bat ban yale yaki kenyang jingpang sa kumbahan ringut kibriu ha Meghalaya kila syakta au kenyang jingpang COVID-19 lengba ke Twitter Menteri Rangba Conrad K Sangma ulayatu bakini kibriu kidai kibawan phai na Maharashtra, Bangalore, West Bengal bat Chennai. Nakini kibasyakta thamai lai ngut kidai kibana South West Garo Hills, mar iway na West Garo Hills, East Khasi Hills but West Khasi Hills. Menteri Rangba ula pentip babaro kini kibala syakta kidon hapo ke jing penkerpang bat kilong asymptomatic. Badakani ke Meghalaya menta keladon baro arpu prangut kibala syakta kibakan tup khat arngut kibala yok khia but uwei bala klat no but khat saungut kibarang syakta hadu menta ha Tripura sekumba arngut kibriu kibawan phai na Maharashtra kilangat hau jingpang COVID-19 badakani baro kibala syakta ke jela kilong arspa saupusau badnakini nyup saungut kidai kibarang don yakani ke jingpang hadu menta baro kumba hajar san potli ki sampel lade ban phak mi bnia bat lab ba arngut nekini ki basyakta hauni khnyang jingpang kumba khatlai tli ki lingsuin kin wan poi menta ga snisha India na kiri golf ha ka jingya balapan bait de ka sarkar hapo ka Vande Bharat mission lengba kini ki lingsuin an wan kit ikinong India ki basakut shabar bat ban pen poi ki shaki jakasa halakari kini ke Vande Bharat mission kandang beteng ban kit pen poy ya bungut ki mensi makodor syakari India khambun kini batam naka marsi teng ki dei ki bana kari UAE labut perkhengru ikilat jingeda hakikat lingsuin ban ai ka jing sumar bakir ki ikinong lek nongwan lengba ki lingsuin paralok nong sngap philayo sngo mentani ki khubor kerpang ha ka dei bat COVID-19 ya ka bala wallam shipi da ka regional news unit jong ka All India Radio Shillong.
This is All India Radio Shillong. We now bring to you a special roundup on COVID-19. The Indian Council of Medical Research ICMR said that a total 1,21,702 samples of coronavirus were tested in the last 24 hours. With this, figure of total number of tests reached to 34,83,838 in the country. Meanwhile, ICMR is continuously scaling up its testing facilities for COVID-19 by giving approval to government and private laboratories. 3 more persons tested positive for COVID-19 in Manipur, raising the total number of such cases in the state to 58, an official said. All 3 hail from Imphal West District. Manipur currently has 53 active coronavirus cases. 5 patients have been discharged following the recovery. The state, which was declared COVID-19 free on April 19, recorded a surge in numbers of cases with migrants from other parts of the country returning home. Churachandpur district in the state has reported the maximum number of cases at 20, of them 18 are Chennai returnees. A person who recently returned to Meghalaya from Haryana has tested positive for COVID-19, raising the number of active cases in the state to 8, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said. Another person who had travelled from Haryana has turned out positive. Person in it is in Tura and under quarantine. Meghalaya has reported 21 COVID-19 cases so far. 6 more people have tested positive with COVID-19 today. In a tweet, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma informed that the person were returnees from Maharashtra, Bangalore, West Bengal and Chennai. Among the newly confirmed cases, 3 are from South West Garo Hills, 1 each from West Garo Hills, East Khasi Hills and West Khasi Hills district. The Chief Minister informed that all the patients are under quarantine and asymptomatic. With the new addition, Meghalaya stands with 28 positive cases, 12 recovered, 1 deceased and 14 active cases. In Tripura, 2 more persons who returned from Maharashtra tested positive for COVID-19 positive. With this, the total number of positive cases in the state rose to 244 with 74 active cases. A total of 1,050 samples were tested, of which 2 samples were found positive for the virus. 13 flights from the Gulf region to India are scheduled today as part of the Vande Bharat mission. The flights will bring back stranded Indians to various parts of India. Vande Bharat mission continues to touch the lives of various distressed and stranded Indians abroad. 13 flights have been scheduled from the Gulf countries to India, more than half of which are from the UAE. All safety precautions are being taken at the airport and medical screening will be carried out for passengers before their boarding. Listeners, that was a special roundup on COVID-19 brought to you by the regional unit of All India Radio.